How to delete X or Twitter account permanently. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your X app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Go to the option Settings and Support. Head towards the option of Settings and Privacy. Now go to the option Your Account. Over here you will find different options. Go to the option of Deactivate Your Account. You are about to start the process of deactivating your account. You can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. But after completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So tap on the option of deactivate given at the very bottom. Now here you will need to type in your password. After you type in, tap on the option of deactivate. Tap on yes, deactivate. With that, you are good to go. Make sure you don't log into your account for 30 days and after that your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can easily delete X or Twitter account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.